Good morning! Oh, ang dami pa ng kainan. Sobrang overwhelming talaga. Ang daming tinda rito. Pero, for today, yan, good morning. Meron tayong helicopter tour sa Sydney Harbor. Pero, hindi pa kasi ako talaga nagbe-breakfast. Baka masuka ako. So, punta muna ako sa grocery. Punta muna ako sa Coles. And then, bibili na ako ng water. Mga 2 litro. Kasi miss ko makabos ng water. I should be going down there. Ayan. Dito tayo sa Liverpool Street na. Baka sa UK. So, alam ko, dito lang sa baba yung Coles. Like, so malapit. Like, 4-minute walk. Okay, so I'm now at Coles. And there are some bento boxes here. Which I think we have charred grilled chicken, 2 for 15. Wow! So I can buy one. I can buy 2. 1 for lunch and 1 for dinner. Para hindi na ako lalabas. Okay. I'll come back later. Last ko na siyang bibilhin. I'll just go and buy some water. And kung anik-anik pa. Okay, so the pickup service is very near the hotel. So it's a 4-minute walk. Very perfect. Very perfect ang weather. Actually, it's sunny. It is very sunny. So perfect for a helicopter tour. Let's go. We're here. We're at the airport.
Yeah, yeah.
That was so fun. Na-enjoy ko yung helicopter ride. It was a 20-minute ride. Hindi ako nahilo siguro dahil okay naman, smooth naman yung banking niya. Pero as a precaution, uminom na rin ako ng Travelan yung parang Bonamine. Good morning. It's a Thursday morning, 7:48. Medyo marami-rami akong lakanang gagawin today. Depende na kung ano mga maaabot ko. So, I'll first go to Circular Quay, tas Victoria lang ako dun sa may The Rocks at saka sa yung malapit sa hindi pala malapit. Yung tanaw ang Sydney Harbour Bridge at saka yung Sydney Opera House. And then I'll go to the State Library, St. Mary's Cathedral, balik ko sa QVB. Maybe I'll go to the Australian Museum. Let's see. Naka-sports lang ako kasi it's gonna be warm today and it's gonna be warmer tomorrow. Nakahinga itong ginagawa ko. Laters. Okay, kumababa ko lang sa Circular Quay. May nanguhuli. Paglabas, mayroon nag-check na, can I check your local card? Chamas, check na nila. Feeling ko, marami kasi nag-ano. With 1, 2, 3. So, ayun. Siyempre, hindi tayo papahuli. Nagbabayad tayo ng ayos. Now, dito na tayo sa wharf. Circular Quay. Ay no, tanaw na dyan yung bridge. Ay. So, the Sydney Opera House. Madilim pa. Andun yung may shade kasi ng araw. Pero, now, people are going here to jog. Tapos punta ka dito sa left side later. Dito yung The Rocks. Like, yung very old historical nila, mga buildings, keme, ganun. Pero for now, punta man ako dito sa bandang right side. Dito nagdadock. Bandaron pa. Doon nagdadock yung cruise ship. Right now, wala kasing cruise ship. Pero, minsan, fortunately, walang cruise ship kasi kung meron, maharangan niya yung ating view for the Sydney Opera House. At saka, kapag may cruise ship dyan, for sure maraming tao. Okay, so this is the cruise terminal. Ayan, makikita natin one of these days. Ako gusto ko talaga mag-cruise. Wala lang talaga akong makasama. Pero one of these days, malay natin, makapag-cruise tayo from Sydney going to, I don't know, Brisbane. Actually, naghahanap ako ng cruise prior to going here. Prior to coming here. Pero, ang nakita ko kasi cruise is like, parang 1 to 2 nights lang. Ayoko naman kasi magtagal sa cruise kasi hindi ko rin sure kung may hilo ko. Imagine sa bangka ko, nasa barko ko. So, I don't know, hindi ko pa natatry pero we'll see. Wow! Ganda! Parang gusto kong duman sa ilalim niya. So, kaya ako pwede mag-picture-picture. Alam ko na. Doon pa. Somewhere there. Ganda. Diba? Sarili sikap tayo. Kailangan meron tayong tripod. Para makakuha tayong magandang angle. Ganun. Ayun. If you can see it under that under the bridge, makita niyan may Ferris wheel. That's Luna Park. So, try kong puntahan yan. Maybe tomorrow. Hello! Pa-sweet. Ang init. Diyos ko Lord. Nagda ako kay Doc. Nagdala ako ng sunscreen din kasi I have to reapply it maybe around 11 o'clock kasi puro outdoors ako today. And here in Australia, the UV rays are so deadly. Maka-deadly. Pero sobrang taas kasi ng nila. Ng UV rays. I don't know why. Maybe still land down under, or I don't know. We'll see. So hindi ko, gusto ko pumunta sa The Rocks. I think it's just behind this keme. Hindi ko, wait, upo lang ako sa lilim. And then I'll Google. Ang dami kong bitbit. Oh, just go. Ito ginagawa ko. Pero nag-enjoy ako. Okay. The Rocks is just few minutes pa po muna. Let's go mga saswang. Larga. Ang hirap lang walang glam team at saka videographer. Charot. Mamaya na ulit. Akit na ako dito. Ayan o. Pero ang gwapo nung naglinis ng floor. Charot. Dito na ako aakyat kasi hindi ko alam. Kasi parang nalalayon ako doon. Pakahon din doon. Tapos maaraw pa. Dito may lilim. So, ayan. May bar pala dito. The Rawson Bar and Restaurant. Alam niyo yung CBD ng Sydney is very warm. Like for majority of my friends. Sa akin kasi kailangan ko sakay ng light rail. Contest, very light. Pero for my friends like Kim and her jowa, sanay sila sa lakaran, especially in Switzerland, you know, Europeans, very much into walking. But, ako hindi. So, should going. So, I did a bit of Googling. In 1788 daw, yung mga settlers from Europe, yung mga convicts, dito nilagay sa The Rock. So, dito sila nagsettle. Nagtayo sila dito ng mga bahay nila and shops and all that. So, medyo sarado pa. Pero ito bukas na to. Gusto ko tayo ng coffee here. I wanna have breakfast here, the doors. Maybe I can have coffee. Pero ikot lang ako saglit. And let's see if I can find something else. We also have sushi yuzen, which is ramen. Ay. Ayan. Trinity Ave. Ay, simbahan ba to? So, may simbahan here. So, I think yung simbahan is nasa front. Like yung entrance nito. Enter the church. Sayang. Kasi ayun hindi sila makapasok. So, ayun. After muni-muni and figuring out what to do, balik din ako. Pagod. Pero, at least, pababa na to. And then, pagbaba, ang daming iskinita, pero nakakatawa. Daming iskinita, pero nakakatawa. Okay, nasaan ka na? Konti pa. I think I'm on the right track. Laters. So, kain muna ako here sa Aspen Coffee. May Starbucks na dito. Sa likod ko Starbucks na. Pero, taas kasi yung rating na itong Aspen Coffee. So, let's see. Ano ito bang mga food nila dito? Kasi it's bland. Tagalog na lang ako kasi so, parang hindi ko masyadong get. Parang sa London din. Medyo bland yung mga food. Like Chinese restaurant ako yet last night. Pero, sakto lang. Parang bland lang. Tapos parang nakanasarapan sa food nila. In general. Pero sila mukhang masarap yung mga char. Mukhang iba sila, ibang level. Kumain ako ng breakfast kanina, alas 7. Wala pa alas 10, gutom na ako. Lampa-energy. Okay, tapos na tayo kumain. Sarado pa pala. Okay. Alas 10 na. Bakit sarado pa? Galleria DSS. So, this is duty free. 11 pa. Merong Louis Vuitton. Merong Burberry. Pero Lululemon yung pupuntahan ko. Somewhere there. Just dito lang sa George Street. Ang makas ng Louis Vuitton. Pero mapagastos ako. So, it's a 10-minute walk. Hindi ko lang kung gano'n nakakatagal naglalakad. Parang layo. May 4 minutes pa daw na walk to school.
Just the cancer council. Have you heard this before?
No.
Where's Cancer from?
I'm not from here. I'm just visiting. I'm from the Philippines. So.
No problem, no worries. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, nagkamali silang tinanong. Oh, ito pala yung mga souvenirs. Magharap tayo dito ng pinapaharap ng sisterat ko na ref magnet na yun nando sa Katnan. Hindi na kailangan na swatch. Okay. Let's do this. So, hindi ako sure kung ano ba ito? Mall ba ito? Pero ito nang Lululemon eh. May sale kayo. Let's see. Okay. Update lang. Hindi na ako mag-Hyde Park. Kasi, may lalakarin layo. Pagod ako. Baka next baka bumalik na ako sa Sydney. Kaya dapat ako maglakad-lakad. Oh, ito na lang. This is, ano ba to? St. Andrew's Cathedral. Are they open? There's a healing service every Wednesday. Ay. Kailangan ako i-heal. Healing prayers for all. And then, after the St. Andrew's Cathedral, meron ditong ganda, diba? Hindi ko alam sa maganda. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Building na, I don't think it's a parliament. Town hall. Town hall. Okay, town hall. Town hall nila to. Ganda, diba? Very, Victoria. Na masabi.